Hello, and nay, Joada, my mama called about the TETE MMOFRA TV, so TETE MMOFRA Kuhunu Ebre Nedri. And a mere meeting TETE MMOFRA Kunya Kesimu, a day in some Ebrewi, a friend MC Omar Sterling, the finest MC in America Zippet. And I feel so they be than once a shifting cultivation be a coswa, near a mini about Goslav on Kobe be a Hayano. Now make for BK tree agrochemicals amount while ye no by year food, say garden, said the Bendy Bay, maybe come for BK chairman. So the goose were minim say. And Nancy Eba, no crack, na miam di meniku hu ye no. Odi BK actually, and also you soon put that nibia. It's a good create me be pure assassins, na minim that into Montreal BK actually, or me I am be brewagana how kota cradi, kumasi him for say she also one when he come back coming near the Mayasiam yen or hobby. Yes, only ni juma on number ya na say well for no ibufu fefe. They be a drew a juada see no many aje if it's a frame kwajo. Ubia so sorry akwajuma a juada na ya if it's a juada Monday dear. Also run up a tutu akwajuma. I said they didn't make egu when no and so bibia any nyamedin. Michelle Unquan say, was that a juada a bit in the akwi if yada ubenyeska gu abutum keke. I'm an IFFF. And there was some training stories be I was able boss on here a rough topic for the day. Your first story about that Sammy over the weekend, I so copy more Vida as so a better prayer center. Next in the birthday celebration, a course or invited brother Sammy on Metonium. Now, a bra could do or see Ubi intimate in the Foko Elyan Kupum. Now, Fokui, a course of media, no sooner will be a gospel musician now for 2 years and yum. But me when said, so because why intimate me Foko no a word. Chi Foko untimi nyame Foko efise me wa awurade unim de no wo pa akire ba mo de mutie nyum na mahama mo tese na wayesi na bodasa me de se e kan ye wiasini na odi Kristo so mo de bende mense mebre mo me enko hwede isi ye. Sema etwegu oboda same aso yenso no me huni se boni bie no bagana dia well o dia na o dia se afiyen consent for so Sharaf Mahama ye ka Sharaf it se Mahama ba ha Ghana for my be crash on so din ne ono so de nya imagine kwa na dan trim ono so de be ya Ghana sports over the weekend interview bi call so a ni bisebusa ne nsema ba Ghana sports na me Ghana ha no we football film ma bibia nya sports ma yo say golf kwa de time ni ebusa no se wono de boxing no kia ne ken obehyimu kena no wo magana fo nyina adwena ba so se enye eja ball bonko na ye sports na emu boxing so ka ho o ma ne ho mre copim December kra obetimi affix some international match bi wo bukum minim so obetimi aye yen ko he video nembra.
What's up?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also doing well.
Wonderful.
So tell us, what is the secret behind these massive boxing events that you've been doing in Ghana here?
Because I'm a huge lover of boxing, I watch it a lot. So I make sure I study what the UK, the US, and also what recently Saudi are doing as well. So if you look at the likes of Anthony Joshua, Tyson Fury, Canelo, they're able to sell out capacities for like 90,000, and that's huge. We can do the same thing in Ghana. So I'm trying to bring that culture and entertainment feel to boxing to make the casual Ghanaian fans enjoy the sports. we had music performances from Kim Promise, Kojo Black, you know, merged with good boxing, you know. Yeah, and I think the crowd have enjoyed themselves today.
So, talking about this, someone will ask, sports, we have a lot of discipline.
Yeah.
We have football, we have boxing, we have rugby, basketball. But why did you choose boxing, Sharaf?
Yeah. So, boxing, I'm doing boxing now. I'm also a FIFA license agent. Yeah, and I used to play football as well, so I have that experience from the football aspect. But I'm being very strategic with what I do, you know. I don't want to jump into something too quick, and it doesn't, you know, reap rewards, basically. So, yeah, yeah.
All right, so you know, I love your energy, and you know, this is the second time, but I'm itching to ask, are we gonna see the third time?
Funny enough, you know how we had all the VIPs around the ringside? They were rather even asking me, when is the next one? When is the next one? There's pressure now. But I think we're looking at December. December, you know, it's a good time where we have a lot of, you know, diasporans coming to the country. And we'd like to give them a feel of, you know, Ghanaian culture mixed with a blend of boxing, you know, and entertainment.
Thank you very much, Sharaf Mahama. You know, this is what you've been doing for Ghana, and Ghana is so proud to have you, uplifting boxing, because it got to a time boxing was...
Otu kwan ko hu abrofo se de omu si yom nyoma na sometimes e boa kakra na Ghana ha de menyi ni so bi beja na adwuma ho se me ko he golf ensi okromu akumase se me ja me adwuma ho akohe boxing akohe like agura enima e boardable ba Sharaf hu se nye sports nkwa ye ka sports nye bon nkwa na ye sports na obitimi ahye boxing mu kina ensem we de God's love ho to be boa ye se ye good say as a president bano ubetimi do wan share share nyoma ye kwenten hu bi say president baby de ne hu share nyoma bi sem in the near future me share unkran so be GFA boss and as a president Sharaf me hu ni bibisa afi so me de call all time memo abai was son of a fefa or then a story like a very touching story na story we dey me mema o just keke na emu gosla be brobro so won nim story na ankasa abai wo TUK Nigerian based UK enkofo ni bia just ye ko wo ne ho na no papa security Ghana be kan say watchman UK o call pension eja abrochi de oye wadwuma na say o koje on home ya e be treat say de oye on hene ate say wo oda so yi adwuma no na say pension de na de mpokura say wo yi adwuma na ankasa na wankasa aba Nigeria say obedudu ne ho kakra na oba ye na on de nkatiri mu pa ene akoma pa na nkode ba say obebro na busuafo ni nuanom ne na busuafo ne wofa asefo mu didi akire akowi ne boni ekowie ne say wayare ahyedem mu CS obi anfi no no ani fie o wajari stroke art say asa bodem ni sabi na me hu ne picture na kura ne recent picture na kura na me re kura ho keke no God's love bit me bie me o kase obi bie ma ha me su ba me yire mani me su efi say story na mobo say obi anipa wo akoma pa say obu anipa na akowie obone wan kase obusuafo na abontinso ni o wan kase obusuafo a onim say wo de wo bu o na daachi bi no watwa no we su de o ma na etwa wato atwene enti no ye bebe no so na the main topic for today say wo no wo serious relationship mu a na sesikani bi say oye bema say oye obaba wa brabo mu a obeka chen say wo boy na say wo girl na me mpentro ne won ka no kura nkyere me God's love wasena no minim say ntro nko na oba betwa me dikan aka akere mo ntro nko na oba betwa obeka say wo no obeka say wo boyfriend bana kuma mu a me ni hyemu de minim say na say na opa akere oyawe ene no ho hyeda amfa ntime koroko ne kakra afi say ye ka ne say wo pese wudi wudwa wo TETE MMOFRA TV so a akonya wo homa o chese number na egu screen is no ni fa number na to ema me numbers ni to emu bia betimi apeke no wa fa ne editwa ye de enya chinchina atwan bia o ba ye no bedidwa ne kekeke TNC applied so what you say and so video ho ye me show video ni na amamo eni ade afi ye ntwa ye homa ne embra stories ne so na emre ni homa ye.
Life gets better with Ajaku TV shining bright. Serving
Aja.
Mina minio. Eno.
Efuo na nkwa ni mu no.
Enkwa bem. Osisa wugidi a nnumpe ho akoka obetimi amanam aba ho media na mani da so se koko idie minsi mbiem mi be twitwa yeja na me ba yo ya Johnson ana oka chem se papa betene kumase nam se metene kumase agede mi ja koko ho ana o se ene wate aduro bi nka na okwa akope bi ato abrem o de ba ya shia kate o shia kate an shia kate na nya shia kate no nko a dependable eye shia kate ana dependable ni nyina ye adwuma ba ko yenfa mom na aduro yi ana atimi a shia kate tese akummu a ewo koko yi nyina so koko modaduru eno ane wuza
na se no na amana so ntem sa no
afi na eno so ubebubu yagu o tank yi mu na wodi nsu yagu hu na wahihye wo che new gloves yi wahye wo nsa eno nose mask wahihye wo space yi uwi a wawo so no na afi watamabo wachi timi nua koko akuafo mesremo se munni mo ho abro makana na maka ukọ na akwa kopa duro edi akọ kukumu wakate dia eno ane hia kate koko board aya aban adwumaefo ama approve say hia kate no ubetimi ato de egu ukoko so anase dependable no anase wuza no ubetimi ato edi egu ukoko so open dosopo etususu a fuani kire kumase emrom bika kire agrochemicals onna toto ndura hodo nyina na umpe we opede yin yi polo amantem wasere dikafo ubantem anka ka kire jutu be ye ode na de ani je be ye kuade a eye duro ba ko pe na me kan fo ama ho eno ane warrior super anase strike super ni nyina ye adura ekumumu wawa efri abronu emu bia no ubie su a ne wabuniti no eye 30 mils no na wodi agu nsuo no wahwie agu tank ni mu no uwi a kata so na woso no woso no wi a wafa onieman na de ahye oti afi peja tank no na de abo wachi se de okoyi parachute no na aka crotch na wom na wahye ase na de gu so na mum enkotunu mu basabasa de obeye ne se ebronu mfinfin pe no a ebe pese no ho na mo ane hyehye na de aduro no agum kafo mienu pe wo se ordene sa yon roso kra no a obe nane aye se nkutu mo hwe se de mani asi agi a na anya bibia se aduro ba ko pe ana ama me no ba yi aso sa no ahyase no me di gu so na me yere kra no ni tiri mu ntene no ene mo hwe se aburo na fama bebri aso doso enti ba bia pa bia to bia no onsa beka bi na me di kan ka se ni do sopo de fuani kire kumase emrom bika kire agrochemicals akosomo on se afuo na ye fefa warrior super strike super amakuaye aye de
Jacuzzi TV shining bright, serving laughter day and night. Feel the joy.
TETE MMOFRA TV so TETE MMOFRA kuhunu enije nko ade ehunu ane yeka de yete so yeka ma ne yeyi na ese bi ka chire aso ye ne ekoye no product ne bebre ni na wa hanom se de papa ja ko kafa ho ni na ebi wa hanom ma je se wo pebia ubenya bi fefe na ese wafu no aye kama ma afi ye my stories no so ye trending na ye pese ye bobo so fast na ye call the main topic no ye ko brother samia so ye me hu ni se any mistake bi ene ho se na misika no afi se obi ka se foko a eye word untimi nya mi foko afi se me wa awrade untimi nya mi foko afi se me hye nyankopon taba kese na se ba mi nim se na Ghana fo si dwuna ene obi obokos bo na wakoto wi ase nyom wa sorry like Ghana fo eto da kwa na mutise ni.
First of all, when I saw the video on TikTok, I felt like this is the time Ghana for was so the kind of artists someone in Ghana. You get it?
Sese.
The kind of artists I work our Ghana.
Okay.
Example like Brother Sami. Brother Sami, when you say simple but to secular songa or to secular songa empty of nudity. Okay. You can't see Brother Sami on that. Okay. So yes sir. Simple you can say will be a gospel musician. That means you preach the gospel. Walk a Bible, right? But anytime you be Brother Samesa or performing a secular song, yeah, the title say a secular song because nipa who is so we are singing. Aha. But me and Kasa the way we are singing na Kasa you know. Seeing na you we are singing. Enti anyoma you bobia we are singing. So I don't understand the reason why you classify the say we are singing. Young slide it enough for the meantime. But Brother Sami be stage bi obegina so bi asa performing one. And no ma wo beto na ye hu ne say wrong say as a gospel musician was all to no. It speaks sense to brains. So I don't see anything wrong with that. That is the brand. And I know now what to know. Do you know, say, and no what to know, so we have people what they call themselves to say they are Christians, or what to want to say, or more about gospel program, of which say a pejanium neswa. All these people are able to sing the song word by word. So who is hypocrite here? You get it? Those people, they sing, and then we have pastors who even sing the song in a way say the song speak sense. A Kenyans has him. So who is hypocrite here? Is it the members, the pastors, or who is hypocrite here? Because I know so you could see said these people, they go to church, they are Christians, but they sing the song. So who is hypocrite here? You get it. So Mama brother Sami Dina. Mama Dina, brother Sami is brother Sami. The guy is not hypocrite. He is real. And you know what? And your gospel for and your Christians and the Christians for na to you. So who is hypocrite here? You people now moka say when they are in their car, they play those kind of songs. And you never so why then don't you have to appreciate it? Say the person who we are saying of which we are saying you now what to see we are saying. Gospel meet me with say Kofi Kinata and your boy we are someone say gospel. And in me explaining the word they say. Like to you know, and me person educated. So repeat the question again. Say Kenata, nenyum no bono. Say oye we asini. Uni so bo ne jene ebia hip life and answer high life no way. Enya gospel. But uni say Kofi Kenata nyumbia so bebo bia nyansa wom from A to Z. Ah uni so keka profane words nya ade. Inteno no. Send a busy address it to audience now. So who say emphasize brothers. I'm going now to gospel. Let me acquire so the mark or two folk dia. And Kofi Kinata they will say you're an elder. If it's also the Nyansa Nyompa. Yeah, when you say Nyansa Nyoma and answer say you, but me the word here uncle for using it say where we are saying. So are we confused about gospel? Yeah, people are confused about gospel. The word gospel. Yeah. They are confused because. So what say we are saying? You might we are saying. We are saying you we are saying and you national body we are saying. Because as a Christopher no between you. You want to make chess saying. And you we are saying you we are saying ya one. Ye and ya buy we are saying ya bet we are saying ya and classify who say your hip life, your high life, your gospel. And it's okay say we are saying we are saying it comes together with gospel, hip hop, reggae because we are saying. But the difference here is, and no man, Moka by you, brother Sami could now stage and now what to you now. This song you know, Obama soon you know, or when you know we are Christians, sing along and sing along and I'm a day. Obi said Jalabia, Mamma Penny. Mamma, or not the word focal, what you are saying. If say you watch the video, you could see some of my phone penny for you there to be. Yeah. But some of my phone penny for almost so much. Show you say, you see, I cover Kimpaluta Bejina on near so Munko, Becas or Munko. But brother Sammy Baton was sorry them with you when you know winning too. Now, when you is about that, I mean, no money in a pinch. Oh, come on. They are not being hypocrite here. That's the reason why I like brother Sam. Ain't na enyoma my sister Gosla Veka no credit be or try so bad kitimo. Munye confused we are say am wan kasa mo wa mu living my life. Munye confused. You we are senyom and a word gospel. But me if we are senyum bi wo ho anyansa wo mu dia ba untimi nkoto be 16 years. Was sorry the men prohibited. Yeah. Prohibited, yeah. And no said the walker no sanity here. May God's love be your cousin, my moon say girl to meet an answer Junior and Cassan about out of the castle. Or Jenny, if it's a mere metal muse foco no foco dear because the foco me make us say won't to mean foco if it's a more radimo and yeah bonnet. Yanko consume to mean chumaso if you say a casa. A casa, and I buy for Bibian to say a casa intiminka. Who bet me a foco. Into my before no corner, my pinche, my bonch and cool any monocle. It be a foco now, Motiano. Into their pinch and be drew any more, and it be quite no moon too. Babies so a personality no original performance, brothers. I mean, it's no mujina. But we wish a video now, young cannot be any age. So wish a video in here. Be any age. And yes, will be any age. Don't say they have a celebrity. I will be performing on church one. Brothers, but secondly, I don't know Pidaya. And yes, brother Sami too. Omuni muto. Omuni numukro. Omuni Omuni muto because omo ya sing along go so.
Boss la but yes, mama phone no mama na chiro mo to fie. E no mo dia bigina so de mo nti we braga dan bi eni chale. Ye mo eni na ho e Christopher.
Mama cramp bi otimi to na wash. I we make na wash.
Ni na ye wiase afefe de e beja wa akọ. Afi ye nko Mahama so ye Sharaf Mahama ba no. E ye o crash. Manka kra ho no sorry ye o crash. Ne the Sharaf bigina ho a obetu atare na won dire mi kan go ya na wa tu.
Listen, asem we what can o camera ni munti na we say me yima no. Because
on crash.
See, listen.
Ni way.
What can on camera nti I need to respond.
Okay,
listen.
Respond.
Me say me admire no like.
Hey, I never heard anything like admire.
Listen.
No.
Me say let me quote.
No, cause your secret admirer. Me who say your secret admirer. But you can say crash.
Listen.
Crash.
Listen. Let me quote the word that I said.
Okay.
Me say way back SHS. And me who Sharaf Mahama on social media. And when I saw him, like everything about him, like I just like everything. You could see her say, oh yeah, calm, decent guy. Like he knows that gentility guy, and he knows what he is doing. One thing, yo style be a man as a young girl, bet me up but on picky. You could see it from the. Me sometimes I see say age crampuna a cranono. The personality now will show it's more than the age now wedding to me, and that's
mature to the extent.
Yes,
like,
and do you know something? Whenever I see his video on TikTok and social media, yes, I'm about, but. Me person me who are the person me I like the way you see carrying him. One example is how you Kofi Kinata. I like.
You just like the guy.
Yeah. The way their personality is. I said they look simple, hardworking. They know what they want to be. You know that style. Those people. You yourself for crime. You yourself. Once I make you example severally what platform you saw and off camera. Say your looks look rascal be giddy be but be benwa we those people are like that's how pass you know so you have a mirror of yo guy, but when somebody is close to you, you are not like that. Me, those people, they attract me. I like them. I admire them a lot. Kofi Kinata, Sharaf Mahama,
MC Umar Sterling.
MC Umar Sterling.
Yeah. We sure say odomu do nebe akwa say otakwe be ni ham. Sebi.
Sasa we you can say.
Oh, it's like
that should be our be known more than this now. Me kro pu.
Okay.
Sasa we gida ba ka bi.
Oh, sebi e bi ko otakwe be you ham. Say odono bro so. Information in there. Information in there. Information in there. Information ko you wrong. If you say okay say from a born and then we say yeah, I know shit. Back come from there just like that yen kasem sa. Back come from a born and say more pa.
You know so Adia Sharaf Mahama and you could see say this guy apart from saying him say papa na ye president, you could see say or ye mature. Or you're very ambitious. Yes, very ambitious. And I feel just like what me say Obwa ne papa ejuma ne so come because say obwa other countries in these kind of things it fetch them money into washano who said this is the opportunity for me to build something for Ghana of which in a way bit near fetch sika unim say first football near boy see kotoko ye wo heart of folk any ade first no ye kaso mo bobo stadium obi e die kirebi. But because of some me even say now they lack some things beyond my intimate people akumeni party first no na say with this kind of idea or debano you could see say it can help the country a lot a bit near fetch country niska because or make example be say maybe if so person ye be crampo about ne say crampa maybe December or see December we have foreigners who are coming in like they are coming to Ghana and now but some people are here to see what Ghana is
but like, no say na me kasa no me ma highlight me ka say so bi ko abrochi kusua bibia na eboa no
Yeah.
if so ko say boxing wa abrochi no he invite celebrities or motonyum musicians and no book can promise mo say nke bi ko yeah if say ni na idea me me say can promise ko bukumare na e bi ko na boxing na me ko ba me ko can promise makutia
yeah
idea me so or some man president of GFA who deserve it.
Me do you know something? I won't be surprised if one day or be a big or be a big in maybe or have a big position be was sports and I say or be a big politician and I say tycoon man society more than me say me I won't be surprised if years to come or be a big more than even a father and I say Ibrahim Mahama I won't be surprised because the guy see Jane is more than the age I ready for now this 2025 the age I want no see Jane see carrying
maturity is not about age. Maturity body, you know.
Which one the way anytime we are any interview, any interviews on social media, they will be see answer question. Even if the question looks very intimidated, you could see how the guy will answer the question. Now question answer what go anymore.
Mahama family name is someone who a present back. Or to one normal or boba or near man for easily. Like could be one competition in a me but I say or you're very open to everybody.
Yeah.
Or new ding command questions could be said do a crank or better show of few.
Oh, they be me
But a bound in a sector. Say be a sports no open to busan a question now. Ideas no by the crown. Say be GFA president can be.
Yeah.
Say boxing with match boxing muki once again at the bon one pen na boxing crowd the end.
Yeah.
But me who say oh ideas and ideas no one so be who say a bit my farmer.
Na ni ka
say farmer no.
Ebe fa pa na ni ka say bi so se or katechie free fa kofa negabi Anthony Joshua bagana na warrior Ghana sika this guy or katechie free for sometimes you know also sometimes me accepting you maybe kakra from me media personalities obi a we presenter bia they say because we share opinion is allowed you go you know but sometimes you shouldn't make suggestion out of which the suggestion looks empty. It looks like there's nothing in what you are saying. It's senseless. You get it? Oria sikati say na ni kan the analysis that he made so ori ni krampa sika wajeno. So if see and say Oria Ghana sika for what reason? I didn't see na onye who said the kind of love Sharaf Mahama is having for sports, anything about games, you know, maybe that built that connection of say onya ne say wamrakeke because nadamfu. You get it? Okay. So sometimes some presenters can make like me fan say empty analysis that makes no sense. You know, Oria Ghana sika saying. Because and son of Sharaf Mahama bit me akofa Ghana sikano. Do you think see any procedure be and I was on so you don't need to say anything just like that. Anything that looks empty. Now and like to say who balu na balu no enem wiem empty she just like chaff. You don't need to do that.
Yes, Sharaf de me when say vision man of vision like Ghana sports na was you pay attention when say if you say no ko papa field no ko me when say ofa ho what divert ko be before cry be born understand life and adwen pana or they bua Ghana for if you say boxing there Miminji ni se Ghana ni pa se God's love si hey si yanko he boxing na bono ko he ni se na ko he boxing afi yanko ala tamaimu mege bia me jana se oko UK ye jana no na NCP ma minti no me kan se me ebe ha no e ma se akwi ni papa so mu mi entie story ni free God's love ho na me e ma re ho kaka
me pese ahase kakra na ni bo ahase kakra
papa ne da ho sa
papa ne da ho no na se wo hwe video we say ya e ya abayiwa bi e yefre ni ifunyanya na ne fada e de ne kwotena amanone na papa na ye adwuma wa amanone for 25 years wakọ pension and waba Ghana waba Nigeria because omo ya latafo
waba ne krom
waba ne krom ba beje na home ne wasifie na fie na wosi ye no odi ne nuamu aba betenam na ba ne ma ne
me se muntie story ni ye
ma no amanone na emu honom na ne ba ifunyanya nse since 2022 12 my father eba alatamem say me ba bejema hu me hu me papa da bibi sisi ne so e na o se ye ne saade a memra alatamem o ba alatamem a bibi sa hye ne say wo de aba na me ba no kwa me fa posifo ni machi because ni papa ni o
oh very nice man
o free UK honom abalatamem say no tie and as I say and any video first one now about pan peseda mpaso no
na ne sera
ehwan sa no enti ono ne ba alatamem no or the apostle di echi because ono ankasa siane ni nua ne papa family na ankasa oni momo sa into ono ankasa so ba no say su into what the apostle di omachi on ba yo se ne papa ni ho wa twenya twe obi aso papa beba wa twenya na afi odi eni eden eya siane obewura no ma ne komokoye a ne papa ena eda ho papa na ni di ne picture to so na ne niama anafno papa ne eda wo te se akra wenya akra be se 10 years asabie bi o yare da papa ni nie ena oda wo so say ohu ne papa no bi san se da wo kai me no se ane me ye hwan ya wo se me ye me ba ne wo no abo ne ba ne di wo se da wo do me wo se ono so do no that means say akra no so ko hu ne papa na ase sa ye ne se ye ne papa enti one ne papa kasa just to clarify some things o se hu ne papa nsamo refufu na bodwu nyina fu na bodwu nyina twa say omo take care of papa.
This is very sad.
And you know something, the pension pay nyina wonom ni nua mu omo so ama no ne nsa efa omo so
omo gidi
and medru omo so it looks like as oni ne brother no. You get it. And this is the issue where wabonte and people are saying say she se papa bia want to be yi a on ukopet yen hwe wachira kwan yen hwe wachira kwan wachi akata o se woti ase se wonti ase obi amfa ho ba wotimi hu se if unyanya no one ne papa te ne papa hwe ni ye ne papa e kire wodo bi maninti for some moments na onte ne papa nkan she felt like I need to go to my dad
obi o kan ko onye
obi wonu man ko onye. But this is Ifunyanya. This is the lady. The lady drove all the way from...
Oh, me excellent.
Jai. Yes, I didn't. The lady drove all the way from UK to Nigeria. You know, all the way to Nigeria. You get it? So, Baba Papa, no, Papa, this is the situation. Ne father wom. And it will be a papa every UK airbar. No where they ne papa na benya stroke am afon I bedru saadi
na because who say girl no the videos na but who say God fearing
yeah
who say no so na man akoma say like
ani o wa brochi nyina no like she felt like someone should ne father
like a prophecy
they be asel wo hwe na o yes spiritually inclined wo hwe na that is how I watch any videos uko the page now any videos update or they ma wa utimi hu saade ne ewo Ifunyanya mo. So the lady said she felt it ofili woni mu say on make shishane papa. And when she came to Nigeria, she also felt like asking for police assistance. And indeed, what the lady felt was true.
That's a prophecy.
So this is idea you say Africans are Jimbone. Like when it's a uyeni panesano, a Japadian unya, do you think Cecilia or Bam Penny a D city to say yes and 20 a day? Do you think say even if so Muku Papana, the property they will get it?
And see.
And sorry, it's
I don't know when say Papa Bakuma Bakwana. Like my
do you know see any brother so or Baba ko a memma you
one father, one mother.
Oh, I'm telling you, like I was even surprised. So I started making research about this issue, and I felt like, I felt like I say, and one will be making suggestion be comment section, and I talked about the comment that the person posted. Now someone walking and say, "Uhun is a papa in a way bine bia onim se bia papa no wa worrying on in the yure jai." And now say on yiri ni and now send a man so who is send a money yanya sa mature the sa enya dana legi say obeti mi ama ni details ni sikan nyina san ka bianka en kwane so because say wo honomo now we hand it over everything to somebody, say be our account to be a one man. It looks like I say you are giving the person another opportunity to take care of you. I say ni panning a show. Because you need to confront the person. Meanwhile, like the money is yours. So the issue here is if some maybe there's an issue going on of which the public don't know for the meantime. And I say be a papa no on Jenny money back. How can as an old man like you or pension you hand every single thing to somebody or your relative? Me fan say enye nipa bia keko wonua
story on too confusing if you say me join us into obedru Nigeria no wentimi an contact ne bana for those years atana yare ne bebo no
wo na within a period of time maybe a month no when yan want like omunya connection with the father.
I have for na say asem ye pesi e rere mu ankasa if say TETE MMOFRA ko hunu de hu ne ka na asem we so nyense e yandro na gospel we kente be so na Abuja wo chena na say wasa ko fifi mu asem isi oju alegba wo Nigeria nti be ma gospel ko ibi o chena say Wednesday no wasa ko dege match into it now so dia bre afi the main topic for the day. Me asem we de no entro bebre de nipa betwa e wo wiase nipa bebre de Bible beto nche twa ntoro afi omu yem ntoro a say
I want me topic near the ABI will be sure so what's the topic?
The topic is say one o boyfriend and also partner na say sikani bi ba na say sikani be pewa oba acceptance so be ka so relationship no. That's the topic for today. You be here mo comment on YouTube TETE MMOFRA ko huno ejako official Facebook baby YouTube nya de obetime streaming live so na say what's no comment now for 0207170130 0207170130 with my say no comment me twem mo pa if say na intro na be ko so na de anohye God's love.
Yeah, me can't assume. I'm not going to lie. Me can't say I'm lying.
Doesn't mean but
this question, between our discussion, it will be kabi. So the truth is me. Semishia Bema, for what I know, me myself, and near me, you get it, and I made a babeka. Say if I'm with you, ma, then I'm using you because 1 hour studio has say I met me using. So if I'm with you, ma, let me date you. Let me so ma with you. May you okay with you. Apart from say once on, what's me going into relationship more? Now you feel like I say nipa na one and one you don't know the person. I say mo date you but what you may be see you.
Yeah,
what I say and yes sometimes I about cheating on you. But be a near maybe one ma I say or no what to but that is how you feel. One say that kind of relationship. When say I'm in that kind of relationship to say be men who say about we the men worrying me susu me say me was a relationship ni mu na me hu say when me to wo but I know say relationship na nko baby so me wo be hu say when I see that person wo be hu say me the kind of energy that you know me in my relationship is easy.
Really?
So if say you go or you won't go, me I don't care. You get it? So if say I'm in that kind of situation me na me share obi no osika na ni pane ba do me o treat me me feel say me feel say listen me can me feel say me a part of the person I will marry the person. I will date that person. Who reason me on?
The rich guy or your guy?
The rich guy. Okay. Because me adeba man notice about me God's love. Ne say even cry you ma me no why I down for keke na say me feel be empty be whether say you are rich or anasa when you're rich me you're okay with you. That is me, to be honest.
You, okay.
I said, whether so you're rich and answer when you're rich, me no okay with you. Do you know the reason why? Me percent me new date is here. Me who say, hey, wo me juma wo ye nie, and no o ma wo car, mami What was I
Me pacho en common cost na mo send them comments about obi say she the girl is lying. I know bisu say video your bow your friend Deborah and she say remain.
Debbie.
Tell it na work asa.
See, my main cast asema maker you don't want to get
Me Debbie comments na me read their show.
Listen, maybe so their opinion is their opinion. Their opinion is allowed. You get it. On my statement, listen, their opinion, yes, it is true. Their opinion is allowed, but it is me. And what am I noticing? Me on when I'm dating you, I want to feel like I have your whole being, like I know your whole. David, and yes, what you
do?
Me. Uncle Bibi and Chemi. Oh, wa minim se wo. Unia minim se woni. By enkoye sa sa wo, but with the bia ye hu bodamani ate wo me so. You get it? No, it being so it could be so obi a rich. Ni pana me ni dating or you rich. But none in say child or ye no hu bodamani ate wo me so I won't date you. Dey if you Schwarzenegger ka bi or say we don't date a rich man or we marry or we date a giver. You get it? And to say me no o man see na me so man we your pap in a jume say what say this media work you go to other minim sade we nyina who will be a woman me feel as your girlfriend usu ni bibia wo me who said this is what God's love do. I feel like ye ni me ho what I say we have this kind of bond that me pay unlike say be a rich guy no not on treating me the way that I want. Ebi o no niam bi wo di be siesie me ba you ebi am no date no ukọ ha krampa o me wa ha say o me wo say so if I feel like as I know every story about you if they give me pen and paper I can write story about you
ahwefo na say question na and I say topic for the day no me say ebi mo mo nti ase me say wuti we ya wo hwemi ya wuti we ya brush no tire na say o paste sa ukobusa boyfriend ya wuti wo sisi ya wo hwemi na say Bill Gates baba oh asimes wo wana me pel be say me worry ko ja your boyfriend nyame enum no kre elder ba dickness ba wa we dicken wa sorry dem obeka chen so boyfriend sister bre obeka chen so girlfriend like me person me hu no kre no ti ho ye o a wo chi we ya na mawie ma ofia ba ifo say hawi a hu anu abrabo yimu na Bill Gates baba and I say me we da baba say oh na me pe chinchina wo na me pem du ko mi krom obeka chen so boyfriend and I say wo girlfriend me pacho let's be sincere right here me pe no kre
and me answer me the my say it depends
enti God's love akane de also no de the answer Bema no baby wa kumemu o me na hu de movement baby a wo kọ baby a wo ye no ma wo ye project a wo ye se wo ni ska ko hu se me ga no ska ba no ho na a show no ba se bode mani tie pa se wo bi o se me ni bi ye be hu no approach na wo di nuane akese mo boy o girlfriend be busa me ho chi me se ne wo se me ni bi ye be hu na on nam club na to bottle so e to go from
yes
sa de ne de obeyi wama sister bra obeyi wama eno de onka wish kura obeyi wama enti me pese me hu ma dwen kire
sa de ne so ya be ma no mfa ne hu se wo ba no hu se sa be ma sa no tie ase de bi o ye no hu so oni bi so spend wo outside a
and de be she wo before
wo ba na me wo ba no most of the time ma o mo ye matured bi o mo so ye hard working no wo be ma no mo mfa
wo ni bibidi
o yeah o wo ni bibidi and then so wo ni bibidi bro so but who free the life me common ne no
pot obi amedana
who free the life man it hu nya time who free the life mu a onya enye so onya tade so be nya tade ahye so who now they can with those women do you know how we call them we make I call them daughters. They are female but they have masculine energy in them.
Oh yeah.
Like who be from life my ebia ono na sebi obe fili so ne be ma be hia na wonya be
me suma dwen che ne say me suma dwen che ne say nyoma we sisi obra oba na miss oye independent oba oye independent no sikani be na brabo no ko she dey who say the God's love can no like so untimi mbrofo ne so that's the word untimi nche ne WhatsApp if so oni bibi do be share no ye ejuma ka je say me ye ejuma me pon time say oye busy enti wo be ma no ko oba oye independent no untimi mbrofo ne so say ono ko be serious ka kona ka say oni bi eska be say on so no emu yedu that's what they call business and that's what they call talk we ga question it you or they call business to wo hwa be on e ba na ge dey obusa me 30,000 30,000 won't me fan koye nyamena se me bi o de koye bi papa obi we bi shop a chese wa fan kra sa oba no wo spend won so a enye ya. That is the situation. But situation when you say sebi o get no nim so nim nyansa o boy no nim say adwin bi entim say the gospel of ken o che ne say kwa na o se fan fa ha o che na de na o se fan fa onu anim say aha na wo fa no oba kopem yeni hand to mouth ne yenye ne ye wo a ye de ano akopem dan ama ye mat abeta frɛ enti wo hu situation a any office be buy say football o current situation a wo mo no team bi ba o tim say mefit team we enti o say meko team me ba tim say ahayeje me so enti me nko sa na football akoye ayese mpenatwe what mpenatwe na say boyfriend treat you good unim the movement obi e pa akwasi a ye bebusa say ene ehu akwasi no we ebi akwasi akra me so wa hanum say eno kwa no ba na hu so wo ne be ma na te be ma okọ ba bi o kra wo say adwoa me kọ ha di say mebusa fo kra fe wa una onim say me wa ha
ba onim say be ma bi a wodi oba ni no oba di ni broso.
Oh yeah.
Unim sa.
Ba man bi so echi sabi man bi echi me pa o mu sa de.
Yes, die sabi ye wo be ma Jimmy for ye wo
ba so Jimmy for so.
Ene de wo. Me say who make statement here na wo cheche nyina. Bibi eba me tim say oba bi a be ma mani hu ni nchomu bibia na mo ye compatible ye okay na still si obi ba na wo so ni sika kakra bia na okope sa oba no ye ni brefo.
Jimmy.
Enya so wo Jimmy. Oye ni brefo. Secondly, no most of the times when you see them say ni nyina wo kopesa man most no mu ye lazy. Ube hu so mu ni stable job oni adwuma.
E depend on be mas.
Ana wo hwe no so so a wo nyo obi a or yes wo pa adwuma ye. 82 these are the two things of one oba no ye ni brefo, two oba no nyo obi o pa adwuma. Sa man sa na o mote o.
Yeah, and
oba wo ne be mate. Bema ni provide bema ni miska bebreba o mani hu ni ntwomu de even craving even power phone krampa wu krampo 13 pro max 14 ni 16 bema ina atama so bema ni nyu obi a oye despite bi ba o show kama wu kase wo hie ska wotimi ma de ya woni bi so ma wu hu sese na still na obi timi ba na odi sika ema wutimi di ni panachi a one we ni brefo. Secondly, sawo ba no oye lazy one page.
We enye ma
Bema into me, I can boldly say today, we ye bema. Now we know about it. Now we more ba bibia mu oba ni nchom bibia. Now oba no utimi study so oba ni you obi oye brefo. Wo hwe no all right. Utimi hwe no no obi oye brefo a oba ni jana.
Yeah, omwa. It is a ghost love the we twitwa boys ne so nse mama mo short. We na short. Oni oba ati anasa bema ti. Utimi sa asimesi nyansa de bi ndani tirim okasa onko yewe a okasa onko yewe a na obo ne hwene okasa onko yewe nti o sa oba na sa be ma ne ne bobra ma ne sebi wo ye de ya be ma wo ye de ya obeto wo ye de ya obeye mre na wo ye mre adwen wo se obeye me ne ti a ho kire ba kakra kura wadwen agya mi se me ne kware da chi na se me ye mre obetena me ho like relationship no ko ne se bi sex ni sika nkwa na wo se modwene ho monnyene mu future se mo pese mo koduru ba bia monnyene ho sa asimesi obabi wo ho a onye marriage material wa marry as so be ware o mabi wo sa 40% ono de o meje amamfu ku ne mu de enku om no mo sequence om wo sa obabi so wo a wo so on ware no wonwo nti wo se mema mu differences no nti no bati se bi oba no timu se gay nyansa ba kokora ni tirim asema be fi nanim aba nyansa bi anim on sheda nkyere kwan se asim odi eskai kwa odi mama kotowe kwa yemfanya bibisi ne ebe kachia maye ame afechi uni oba bia o ma o sa nyansa ni bia God love say massage ano na waste still time oba ene ma ne one incident ni so o chana ka se obe ma ne 50% na obe bo ne hwena kyere no jano God love na kan o yoba nto no de se ayese obe tufu no so obe tufu a bibie wasum fa sa wani bibie yi wasum ne tie ne ye bi so no yoba
ma woni mu ma no kraba kon so se oba bia per surprises
mema de empel
there be me come my side there mema so pebi ba oba bia woni se ye oba bi wo hono ma si de wusi surprising nko ama ne libido krampo ko high ma hoden ne mo yi wa chire no. See your baby wo hono ma se wo ko stress mu bebre ba sex hia no. On timpo se wo so ne be mada.
Sex on God's love.
You know that. Do you know that? Yeah. Like we have people like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, one crofo mo te sa wo honum. And na face so no matter how or buy independent woni bibia hono no matter how.
Otaka.
The oh here up the masculine side of a man. One one mistake I am my NSS or for bano bani obi o pay juma. No I juma. Ubehuna or who say, oh, God's love your year juma me maniska. God's love your men surprising. That or bana or ye, you know, on be said be feel but who are surprising who are maniska. But I'm quiet to so be a on ye jumanya she now no one be demanded. I said there be a pressure down. Yeah. But how about when a jumayan and yes, when a jumanti woman is you still now ye won near to say bema. Do so when you be your name be to say and when you be make us say adia with the bemo bano. Obama bohu the mount. And we man of Indians and I can hear. Aha, a man of my junior fear. Obana junior fear. So woman about chop money, CCA. Now, sir, what the woman is cassa sika, or ben wediane, Ediane, what mean will be my ye debisi, what me a different steel. Same pono, say a fufu, no sikana the man or bemo for bema on quine or bema na men, no more the bemo different or bemo different treatments or health we yana say. When any things ye the import the bemon putting you good and your maggie. Okay. Or your bad that is oba. So until me ending in shorter. Oba a year you must say then ya bema who mema samsa wo ye baby because ni the bema no. So what show oba when you seeking an asto your near to send me some kama. Do you know what happens? So what surprise or surprise a dear sumbo because when him said who will be dada and to say we are sad now. Oh, mamma, my book. Oh, mamma, my pillow, mamma, what are they? So, Banus to you, Bill. Who so bad to me talk at Tebema? Oh, yes. A seat so bad to me talk at Tebema. It means to say Bearman, a dear way I make an oye. Oh, perfect. And there's a ghost lab the Okano or buy Bearman. And that's also a girl Musa was getting away when you quite Ukukrum can water that will get Musa into Menamanto. And mama per surprises. Or to another way, baby, honey, Kuchi, what's up? Send me the money pay. Or baby, or that simple so. What's up? I don't know. Oh, woman is surprises crying with me for Moko. Me, Nemo, you can have a girl. Oh, never a girl be day to Liverpool, Nemo Liverpool. Liverpool, Chrome and Namo. Now, you're not in the dates, not OADB. And I make a massive house. Oh, Mamma, Nemo, you can now kind of quench channel. Time and I'm all Liverpool. Oh, see me. Girl, I'm in it to Liverpool. No, girl, no, me tried no scacamo. But me tried dear Brennan. Surprisingly, like the niche yells, oh baby, so how many rounds today? So are you gonna fuck me says to says? No means yes, there's a man one if he says to says, I didn't have to Brennan. No, like me the kind of no crap. Yeah, it's true. Saturday no cramo have romance be uncle so no say patrikum. Say one man who crab ba. I don't know we are channel kwan one for say. Yeah, into moon surprising one mo. Uko udru be kwan about who say Benz bi so what to be akoma oge ofie. Uko yi Santa's run about who say range bi what to be akoma okuno. Efe munye na odon na range anaka bi ko ebi mpa. Normal guy, me fancy maybe one of them. I'm doing by example. Maybe you or mom dating you. Maybe they be on him say God's love penny and me too. That what loaded fries are bread and I bought. When him say me say pay right me. And I come to town. No loaded fries. Okay, be that bay. Ya can your ma unim di and then say what media no so nti no ma unim di na beka that's what loaded fries loaded fries me pe ba unim say me pe bra ya toto and na ba mitiri mo me ke bibia say o kan aduane na ba mitiri mo yes ma mi ya na nke atobi open yellow corn and say white corn open yellow no na ata atopa into God's love me relationship on who ne say ye youth e was say ye mbre ye ho bebre relationship like relationship wa ultimo say mood de tikeke like plan bi enim semba ware yes e be ma wo say usika na say oba wo say wadaje on say relationship on with all say your kase your parents kase is no good at your age yanko school in a way do you know something you learn a lot too okay ma unhu be ma wo oba no kra wo pe
okay
what you say
eno ne wo yeah
eno ne wo and as wutimi susu in a way timitna we a virgin na wo hia be ma na warewa eno ne ye different because be ma na ne wo chew na wo nim
yeah
you get it
you
all chira wo no and na wo nim and we have many people on and also so no chew no nim no e bia also so you can teach se nipa be ma na ye virgin na untimi nche no Nyo penagis or no mum near Hatchel, and they do so all shown you can't do it better as in Obia or ye well what I say. Yenny said you are 10 crumple in few on the more. Me when you say on me for the be me using me home for example because me you be sometimes I can sit down now me ama make analysis be about my life and I will go by it. I made a decision. Me fan say 4 years, me fan say 4 years muni. I made a decision, but one thing that I've noticed in say in general, youth sometimes you pray your whole relationship too much.
Man crap say you jana to relationship mu
no dey yes me and me twa fa fanyina.
Eish.
Me twa fa fanyina. Yes say you pray your whole relationship too much. Dodo. It's too much. Oba betimi ni be mat na ene. Omuja ya de chin ya obi be pen no. Wapene. Obewie ni body count bebre. Be ma so. Oba yes o pe no di ni hu twitwi wa na wo so wa de he na wo ne be oba ne so ada.
Say the mema see e fu pa menya fu that mo.
Jai.
Say the need pa see e fu ya me pa me hu sem yes pe that mo.
O me stop lying or camera.
Ah me menya fu. Me see ada sugar mami bi on. O ka che me say 3 days here 10k man ko.
Jai.
Anka ni say the mama say 1 week. 1k okoye.
Sugar mami the end I accept me gidi. But if you sugar that sugar mommy, ebia ne ho ago ne ade wo pa bai wa ade. My like you stop lying. Stop lying, Jai. It's camera ni ade bi we camera ni. Wo dey my younger to business. I dey in control camera ni. Because say or your papa penny or your mommy penny I know say you won't accept. But say young lady.
Oh my say wona ma me be ma kuta o nti nim de me. Sasa na pesa o kire me wona ma na me be ma kuta o. I don't know what's it.
Miss Winnie Mobama.
Say you see kai as me wona ma me be ma shobutum.
But the as o person try trouble so e jai sa. Because you and
I am many just o de kit me.
So the thing is, you tired by a pre-home relationship. Petropetrin is too much. But so we you tone. Now, what you was so then now I get into one relationship with Bimu. Some people are so lucky say on one relationship no be common no be female. Maybe the person that they met not yet very matured. You get it? And when it's a omumpo be a corner quine, nipan money who how our life tie, you get it. We have some people susua or men who be sad. But do you know something? We a young lady and that's all a young guy. Now my relationship rush or relationship musa now for course or wow self our own. You become perfect.
Okay.
You become very perfect. What's I intelligent? As a mufi, you get things easily. Good things attract and 10 times more. You get it. So me one. Youth mo pray what relationship mududu. Simple relationship ba ko pena woman. Mo nyai sex na oba ofie panyan sex. Oba ofie panyan sex. No, sometimes obi timi no obi dating for so many years. There was a time na me ti obi wo YouTube on. No cause was so ne girl ne wife etna here for 5 years. Sex a mo have e no na enru 10.
Really?
Na enru 10. Do you know something? Like what tie boy ne kasemu na tie be oba ne so kasema. They have this mentality be seen. Do you know say relationship and marriage is a job?
Okay.
Eye juma. Inti say wo fa marriage a what worry you need to work on it
and learn as well.
And learn. We juma wa worry any muno. And the results need to make the ahotoba.
Asumdie.
Ahotono and one year asumdie na. You get it. So marriage and relationship is a job. Me tie o no, it's a job. So relationship bu be yo da e ska. So relationship mu be yo de bebre na mo room I like mutimu say eh we romantic we say ya e ska. That's what the guy said though. Into omo relationship ni hina no mo to omo ho ase na omo nim say kwadwo ye we ama ye we ni bibia mu no. They knew see and they like each other. They need to build for the future.
Yeah, that's sure.
And now they are married. They have 2 kids.
Yeah,
so we shouldn't be rushing in relationship.
And topic we very broad. And next Wednesday we'll be talking about loneliness after breakup. We say obi to hoa on page masadi we na causing na so what that you know into no mesemo ahwe for munkosua loneliness so what the money jumadia say bi nkwase anyoma nko a etimi do call x na say odwen gaya me ni jai kwa ni yese yo ma me friend no he ni na loneliness but say un chef na de bi oye juma oye busy a say na about God's that 4 years on be ma on na ka de me de minim
hey
the boy busy to no need time come be ma but what you na say oni jumadia say bi nkwase anyoma nko na about me de make me boa.
And it's true, pa.
Was no man called about him. What was?
And also I depressed.
Yeah, like o ex bia nyankopon yi wo free ni mu no. Na fe wo say record na me ni we ko kwa ni yese ni na loneliness.
Nipa hunu bi
na say wo record memories bi nkwa say bi nkwa say memories bi am ye na say wo say e o say akọ friend nipa kro na o say ma o.
No utimi so bi ti me fa ne phone no ko ne contact. The call-logs da bi ti o ko ne call-logs e mi hu we ya cho be free obi ya ne call-logs.
That's loneliness. Effect of loneliness and no you bet discuss and also so Wednesday be God's love so how no much say be ya go gidi I feel see
BK agrochemical say wo ye afuo na wo ye no wo pese wo no ba ye no etimi fu ankasa na wonye nnuane na wo de kodwa so na yetimi atam wonye sika de ahye wata so a eye BK agrochemical enu ntinu entena wo market ensi wo kokoo so kokoo na yesi e bi mutimi de se 10 years akiri ansa na ye de adua no na we hyase e ba aduane so na akate atiesi so ni da bi enti ye BK agrochemicals kumasi ase ye wo kumasi mro main office on ye wo so ye wo sunyane ye wo sahigina se ye wo bekwai baby bia wo pe BK agrochemicals no wo benya bi numbers no ene wo screen so what dawroma fama me why nenya sika do so me da ase
afi so person ne ton ade ne so akonya ho se o pese wo ton
wo betimi so ne edidwa eye TETE MMOFRA online TV ya pono bia ma wo kakraka se wo pese wo ton ade ewo eye station yi so a ye bebo hu dawuro kese de ama number ne ye 020 717 0130 020 717 0130
Nese medase God's love ebre no ayebre ahane de mbesi e wotete MMOFRA ku hu no so ye de ani ginsem nkwa ne de bre mu de hu ene ye ka de yeti so
ye ka ema ne ye yi
ene me am de dwumadi mu chia me se de me hene kan ho ye frɛ me MC Omar Sterling that shifting cultivation in the men kan ho asim bi me fi God's love wa heya ahanam de mbesi medamase bebre ma
Your cool TV shining bright, serving love.